Treehouse Schoolhouse. Today I'm going to be sharing with you a really cute hand rhyme called Two Little Blackbirds. And this is a very popular hand rhyme. You can find it in other places with lots of different verses if your kids really like it and you want to find more verses. I'm just going to be saying the hand rhyme, not so much singing it, but you can also find more of a tune to it in other places. So it's going to go like this. Two little blackbirds sitting on a hill. One named Jack, one named Jill. Fly away, Jack, fly away, Jill. Come back, Jack, come back, Jill. Two little blackbirds flying in the sky, one named Low and one named High. Fly away, Low, fly away, High. Come back, Low, come back, High. Two little blackbirds sitting on a pole, one named Fast and one named Slow. Fly away fast, fly away slow. Come back fast, come back slow. It's really fun, especially for those toddlers and preschoolers and early elementary students. Definitely check out some other verses and other sources, but that is the version for Treehouse Nature Study Winter. Make sure that you like and subscribe to find all of our videos, and we'll see you next time. Bye!